Welcome guys, today I am with the Anker SoundCore Liberty Air 2 Pro earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode. Okay, so at the first, just open the case and take a look on the indicators. When they are not blinking, you have to move them to the pairing mode manually, so we have to click and hold this button for a few seconds until they start blinking. So click and hold it. As you can see, the right one is blinking, so we can release the button, and then simply we can go for the Bluetooth settings on our Android or Apple device. Take a look on available devices, select Anker SoundCore Liberty Air 2 Pro, and as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.